Alright. Hi guys, my name is Julio. I am depicting the Imperial Japanese Forces, mid to late war, World War II. This is just a general infantryman's kit. Lower NCOs were, well, despite the common misconception that they were, a lot of them wore swords, that was really more of a garrison equipment. Most of the Japanese actually mandated in 1943 that NCOs were to use their rifle pouches and actual rifles, so that's that. As far as like the equipment I'm wearing today, ammo pouches, cap here. I have a Type 90 helmet on the back with a tricolor net and quiver. Reserve pouch on the back here, of course. Gas mask bag, and the bread bag, which, besides holding personal effects, was also used to store grenades, as the Japanese did not have a dedicated grenade bag. As far as my weapon, this is the Arisaka Type 99. This is a early war model, which was really the main model of the Type 99 that was shipped out. No last stitches or transitionals or stuff like that. Anti-aircraft sights, monopod, all the works, and a dust cover. What I have displayed here out on the table is more or less a smorgasbord of Japanese equipment. Here I have an example of a Type 38, which was also a rifle used heavily during the Second World War, but was an older model. So that's that. An NCO sword, a reproduction, I'm afraid. But still serviceable as a good example. I have a little box here with examples of the Type 97 Japanese hand grenades. I have some good reading books here, some good references for people if they really want to learn more about the Pacific. At least these are ones that I picked out from my own collection. Have a pair of Jikatabi over here. These were essentially a dedicated workman's shoe, also good for night infiltration tactics, as the soles on these do not have hobnails and therefore they do not scratch up the ground and make too much noise. This is just a straw, essentially a lunchbox used for storing cooked rice. Original helmet, pistol holster, map case, some more officers' equipment, and a trench phone. And yeah, I think that's about it.
Thank you.